Calling. Daniela.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine.
Since you look like Facebook, you look big.
Thank you. Oh, is it your house?
This is my house now.
House is so beautiful.
Thank you. Sit down. Daniela. What I can't give you now? Daniela, don't come my house. Daniela. Hey, take this cook. Daniela. Wait now, Daniela. Wait now.
Thank you.
You open it like this now. Daniela, calm down. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. But Facebook and your picture, they look big. I don't know if it's Daniela, but you don't miss for us the address, yeah?
Yes. I almost missed.
You almost miss?
Yes.
Okay, that's just the number now. But finally, you got it. This is the place. This is where I live. Daniela!
This is beautiful. You have a big bed.
Thank you, Daniela.
Okay, what is this?
This is sweet now. This is sweet. Yeah, now sweet. You know, now sweet. You understand? Now sweet. Daniela. Dada. They are done with you. You will not see where I'm sorry.
Everybody go down.
Daniela. How are you? Don't bring your cook finish. Where this thing already here?
Uncle, I thought you told me it's sweet now. I've eaten it. I told you back outside.
Wait. Now this one put for you in your mouth.
Yes.
Wait. Daniela. You don't do like this before?
Yes, I've done it.
Daniela, like this?
Yes, now.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
No wonder. 15 years old.
What type of playing? This is playing.
Okay, Daniela, you fit take your coke and go.
No, I'm not going.
You must go, Daniela. Take your coke and go.
Uncle, you told me you are going to show me something.
I don't feel show you.
I told my dad you want to show me something. That's why I came.
You tell your daddy say you are coming here?
Yes.
They go. I don't feel show you here, Daniela.
I want to see that thing.
You know feel see Daniela.
I want to see.
I don't feel show you. You don't feel see this thing, Daniela. You went take condom as a sweet here. You don't feel see Daniela. I bet they go before you feel for trouble. Daniela, take your coke. Take and they go.
Uncle, I don't want to go. Come and show me.
I don't feel show you.
I want to see.
I don't feel show you. God. Thank you, Facebook. Why you put me like this? Imagine the girl here and just condom as a sweet. What the beg oh? If you tell you that say I want show on something, you are telling us say you know how to do this.